Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install Microsoft Copilot on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. So finally we have Microsoft Copilot application on our Mac. We can easily download it from the App Store. For that, simply open App Store. Here on the search option, search for Microsoft Copilot. And from the search result, simply select it, then click on Get and click on Install button. Now if you get a prompt, click on Install and enter your Apple ID password. Then click on Sign in and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you will get open option. You can simply click on this button to open it, or else you can simply click on Launchpad and here you will get Copilot icon. If you want, you can also add it to dock. For that, simply select the icon and drag it to the dock. Now using this shortcut, you can open Copilot. Now to use it, click on Continue, enter your name and select your voice. Also, you can open Copilot using a shortcut. For that, you have to press Option and space key. Click on Continue to start using Copilot on macOS. Also, you can sign in with your existing Copilot account. For that, click on this icon. Here you will find Sign In option. Click on Sign In. Then sign in with your Microsoft account. So that's it. This is how you can install and use Microsoft Copilot on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.